If your grammar is not good, then you can actually utilize Claude AI to correct your grammar. Let's say, for example, I can simply go ahead and say correct grammar right here. And inside of double quotation, I'm going to go ahead and say, I wake up morning and eat tea, banana, pancake, shower, brush teeth. So you can see it's very broken English right here. And then if I were to go ahead and hit send, what happens is that it'll go ahead and correct out the grammar. So now it took the keywords that I gave right here and it says, I wake up in the morning and eat, then have tea, a banana, pancakes before showering and brushing my teeth. So you can see that it actually goes ahead and then corrects out my grammar right here just like that. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then utilize, let's say, Claude for grammar correction as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe